Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Friends, make sure that your thermostat is always working, because if it is not tripping, it will continuous power consuming, so it increases your expenses. So make sure that thermostat is always working. We are going to fix the thermostat. This room air conditioner, or you can call window AC, so 1.5 tons 2003 model, which is so working well. Still it's working well, but what I observed is it's not tripping at your setting temperature. Normally when thermostat reach the set temperature, then it will trip, fan will be keep running, but compressor will stop, but in our condition it's not happening. So you can see it's the control board. So I set in between, and fan is in between medium speed, so it is low, medium and high. The temperature is set in between, so we can say it is around 22 23. This temperature it should compressor should turn off. So I kept timer, and I keep watching for 3 hours. There is no tripping, or compressor is not shutting, so there is a problem with the thermostat. So we'll check how to replace the thermostat. So before purchasing a thermostat, you should check your model of the air conditioner and compatibility of suitable thermostat model. So for that, what we are going to do, we power off the air condition. So okay, so we will open the front grill cover now. Okay, so we removed the front grill. You can see there is water is dripping because of excess cooling. There is no trip, and these fins are already clogged because it's very old, 2003. So but now our problem is mainly thermostat, so we'll concentrate on thermostat. So this is the information of this air conditioner. You can see I already verified with the model. So these are the serial number details here, and the cooling capacity, these things, and especially this having cool and heat model. So both it have some air conditioners having only cool model, but we have both here. So we have to open this control panel. For that we have one screw here, and one behind this. Before that we should remove the knobs. So it's a very old knob. So okay, so we got one. So we'll take this knob also, and then this one. So now all set. So we will open this cover. So there is one screw here, and one here. So we'll open this control panel to reach the thermostat. Based on the informations, we already purchased thermostat from the local shop. You can buy in any HVAC shop. You will get this thermostat, warm and cold model. So this is the suitable one. This is the screw we are going to open, and one more here, and one here, the flat screw. So we are going to remove this one. Please make sure the power is off, and better the wire is disconnected, so you will be safe. So we already opened the control panel. You can see the main part is here, the connections. So make sure the connection here we have the black and yellow one. So same we are going to connect. So this is how our connection is there. So this is capacitor, and this is thermostat, so which is giving information to the compressor to start and stop. So friends, already we took off our thermostat. You can see there was 2 screws, so we have to connect these 2 terminals. You can see here, so one is L, one is L and one is C. So this is our new thermostat. You can see already we connected. So this we are going to fix now. There was simple 2 connections. So as it is, we are connected. So now we are going to fix back this the control panel. So friends, finally we fixed our thermostat, new thermostat. You can see you can keep this sleeve till here. So it is the sensing point. So we have made all the connections. Now we are going to power on. Okay, so yes, let's start. Yes, so now it started. So we set it 50%, so we can say it is around 20-22. So our connections are okay. So we'll see, it's it's going to reach the set temperature, then the compressor should trip. So friends, still compressor is going on. It may take 15 to 20 minutes to set temperature based on the technical data. So yes, when lower temperature, it's tripping. So still the fan. So at any moment now it may start. So now we are not going to touch this one now. Yes. So the compressor is started. So thermostat fixed properly and it's working now.